Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Today we are going to be making some tandoori chicken at home. It tastes so good, and definitely make sure to make that green chutney sauce that I poured on top. I have a video of that in here as well. First step first is that we're gonna put all of our chicken inside of a giant glass bowl. Add on 1.5 cups of buttermilk. I'm using homemade buttermilk, but you can always go and get the pre-made stuff from the stores. It tastes just as good. Then make sure you zest 2 lemons and put the lemon zesting on top. Make sure to grab a full garlic bulb, cut it up very small and sprinkle it all over. Take 2 tablespoons of chili, put that in there. Reduce it if you don't want too much heat. 2 lemons are gonna go into this one because I personally love the tangy flavor that lemons give. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1/2 tablespoon of Chunky Chaat Masala and 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala and 1 tablespoon of Tandoori Masala. All those masalas can be purchased at any Indian grocery store near you, or I'll even link the Amazon links for these ones down below in the description. So if you can't find it locally, make sure you go and check on Amazon, because honestly, Amazon is selling everything nowadays. Put Saran Wrap on top and then put it in your fridge for 2 hours time and let it really marinate and get those flavors inside of the meat itself. After the 2 hours of marination, make sure you go outside, turn your grill to hot and let it warm up. Then come back outside, spray it with some canola oil and then put your chicken on there. Make sure you give it a good flip after 15 minutes on one side and then redo that for the other side and you will be good to go. It should look like this when you're done. It tastes so good. Then, plate it up, get yourself some lemons, get yourself some red onion. Don't forget to make that green chutney that I taught you guys about last time. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on Friday.